So I'm looking for a unit vector perpendicular and parallel to this graph. So what I need to know is I need to know what the derivative is, because the derivative is going to give me the slope of the graph at that point. So the derivative is negative 2x. And then at the point 1 where I'm interested, because it's 1, 4, it's negative 2. So I know that a line that's going to be parallel is going to have the slope of negative 2, so it's going to go from 1 to negative 2. My vector w, I'm going to have my first vector w, is going to be 1, negative 2, because that's going to give me the slope starting at 1 and going in that direction of negative 2. So I have that, and so my magnitude of w, because I want a unit vector, I need to know that, is the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared, or radical 5. And that tells me that my unit vector is going to be parallel. It's going to be plus or minus, because I can have 2 because there's a squared here, right? There's 2 values. Plus or minus 1 over the magnitude times that w. Now, if I want something perpendicular, then my slope is 1/2, because it's a negative reciprocal of his, because the perpendicular lines have negative reciprocals. So that's my magnitude. So that's, sorry, my slope. So I have 1 and 1/2 is going to be my new vector. And my magnitude of that is the square root of 1 squared plus 1/2 squared, which is radical 5 over 2. And so that tells me, because remember I take 1 over the magnitude, so 1 over the magnitude is 2 over radical 5, plus or minus, and it's times that vector 1, 1/2. So those are my 2 unit vectors in that direction. Now I can multiply through a little bit, and I can have plus or minus 1 over radical 5 again, and I multiply through it, I have 2, 1. And see how these are also opposites of each other.